How to lose weight with the Keto 2.0 diet plan. The Keto 2.0 diet is a modernized version of the traditional ketogenic diet, designed to be more flexible and sustainable for long-term health and weight loss. Unlike the standard keto diet, which focuses on high fat consumption, Keto 2.0 emphasizes plant-based fats, moderate protein intake, and a slightly higher carbohydrate allowance. This approach makes it easier to follow while still offering the benefits of ketosis and weight loss. What is the Keto 2.0 diet? Keto 2.0 shifts the macronutrient ratios of the traditional keto diet to 1. 50-55% fats, 2. 30-35% protein, 3. 15-20% carbohydrates. This updated ratio allows for a more diverse range of foods, including additional vegetables, legumes, and plant-based protein sources, while enabling the body to enter ketosis. Keto 2.0 also emphasizes healthier fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, reducing reliance on saturated fats. Why is Keto 2.0 effective for weight loss? 1. Induces ketosis. Although the carb allowance is higher than traditional keto, it's still low enough to trigger ketosis, where the body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. 2. Improved nutrient balance. More plant-based foods and moderate carbs provide essential nutrients and fiber, making the diet healthier and easier to follow. 3. Sustainable calorie deficit. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods, Keto 2.0 helps control hunger and reduces the likelihood of overeating, creating a natural calorie deficit for weight loss. 4. Better digestion and satiety. The higher fiber intake from vegetables and legumes supports digestive health and increases feelings of fullness, aiding in weight management. Steps to lose weight with the Keto 2.0 diet. 1. Determine your macronutrient needs. Use a Keto 2.0 calculator to determine your daily fat, protein, and carbohydrate intake based on age, weight, activity level, and weight loss goals. 2. Plan balanced meals. Include a mix of healthy fats, lean proteins, and low glycemic carbs in your diet. For example, fats: avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and coconut oil. Proteins: eggs, lean poultry, fish, tofu, tempeh, and legumes. Carbs: leafy greens, broccoli, zucchini, cauliflower, and small portions of quinoa or sweet potatoes. 3. Track your progress. Monitor your macronutrient intake using apps or food journals to ensure you stay within your target range and achieve ketosis. 4. Stay hydrated and supplement. Drink plenty of water and consider supplements like magnesium, potassium, and omega-3s to support overall health and minimize side effects. 5. Incorporate exercise. Combine the Keto 2.0 diet with regular physical activity, such as strength training or cardio, to enhance weight loss and improve fitness levels. Sample Keto 2.0 meal plan breakfast. 1. Avocado toast on low-carb bread, topped with a poached egg and chia seeds. Snack. 1. A handful of almonds or walnuts. Lunch. 1. Grilled salmon salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and olive vinaigrette. Snack. 1. Greek yogurt, unsweetened, with a sprinkle of flax seeds. Dinner. 1. Stir-fried tofu with broccoli, zucchini, and cauliflower rice cooked in coconut oil. Dessert. 1. Dark chocolate, 85% or higher, paired with a few berries. Tips for success on the Keto 2.0 diet. 1. Focus on whole foods. Minimize processed foods and prioritize whole, nutrient-dense options to maximize health benefits and support weight loss. 2. Experiment with plant-based proteins. Incorporate tofu, tempeh, lentils, and beans into your meals to diversify your protein sources and make the diet more sustainable. 3. Monitor your ketosis. Use ketone testing strips or a blood ketone monitor to confirm that you're in ketosis, especially when consuming slightly higher carb levels. 4. Meal prep for convenience. Prepare meals in advance to stay on track, especially during busy weeks. 5. Adjust portions as needed. If weight loss stalls, reassess your portion sizes or macronutrient intake to ensure you're creating a calorie deficit. Benefits of the Keto 2.0 diet. 1. More straightforward to follow. The higher carb allowance and plant-based focus make Keto 2.0 more adaptable to various lifestyles and preferences. 2. Improved nutritional balance. By including more fiber, vitamins, and minerals from plant-based foods, this diet supports long-term health while promoting weight loss. 3. Sustainable weight loss. The balanced approach reduces the likelihood of burnout or extreme cravings, making it easier to stick with the diet. 4. Reduced risk of health issues. The emphasis on healthy fats and diverse food sources may lower the risk of heart disease, inflammation, and other health concerns associated with traditional keto. Conclusion: the Keto 2.0 diet is a versatile and sustainable approach to weight loss, offering the benefits of ketosis with added flexibility and nutritional balance. This diet supports fat loss while promoting overall health by focusing on healthy fats, moderate protein, and plant-based foods. Whether new to keto or seeking a more manageable alternative to the traditional approach, Keto 2.0 provides a practical path to achieving your weight loss goals. Loudspeaker, let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up, like this video and share it with others.